Today we're going to do a full body postpartum workout in just 15 minutes. I'm going to use 10-pound dumbbells and 5-pound dumbbells. If you don't have dumbbells, you could use a bag full of books or filled up water bottles, or just use no weights at all. To continue to heal, strengthen, and flatten our core, we want to think of every move as a core exercise and use our diaphragmatic breath, breathing in 360 degrees around into our side and back ribs. And as we do the hard part of every move, exhale and really engage your core. I will also give modifications for diastasis recti. Ensure you're not getting any coning or doming down your midline. Let's start with a short warm up before we grab our weights. Big inhale in, exhale, engaging your core. Last one. Good, moving into arm circles, keeping your ribs pulled in and down. Let's go the other way. Moving into good mornings, we're gonna hinge, shooting our glutes back. Good dynamic quad stretches. Last one. We can move into ankle circles, either keeping your foot on the ground or exhale, lifting it off. Going both ways. Other foot. Other way. Good. We can go ahead and grab our dumbbells, our backpack, or our water bottle. Choose a weight that feels safe for you, but also by the time you get to the end of the 50 seconds, that you are ready for a break, and make sure that you're doing your core breathing to protect your core. We're gonna start with squat. Press up as you exhale. Nice and controlled movement. We're gonna set up for a reverse lunge. Lunge and knee up. Option to press one weight up as well. Amazing. We can set up on the other side. We're gonna lunge, squat, hammer curl, switching sides. Last one. Really shoot your hips back here, keeping your lower back elongated, and row back to your hips. We're gonna set up for curtsy lunge and a narrow press. Last one. Amazing, let's grab a sip of water and then I can meet you down on the mat. For this next section, I'm just gonna keep one 5-pound or just a water bottle would work great. We don't need a weight at all for this next one. Tricep dip, exhale, engage your core as you reach. We can come onto all fours, extending one leg back. For more advanced, you can scoot that knee back for more of a kneeling plank position, wherever you feel safe. Bending your elbows, elbows pointing straight back. Let your arms take the weight of your body. Core is strong, using your diaphragmatic breath. We can set up on the other side. Re-engaging your core. Pressing down. We're gonna set up in a side plank. You can have your water bottle or your lightweight nearby. I'm gonna keep my knee down. If you wanted to have both feet extended and that's safe for you, you can. Reaching up, lowering down. Engage your core as you lift. Keeping your hips nice and high. We can get ready for the other side. Lifting your hips up nice and high. Last one. Amazing. Let's get down safely on our side, rolling over onto your back. If you have diastasis recti, you can do either your arms or your legs. No weight. If it's safe for you, we're going to do dead bug, opposite arm and leg. Really exhale. Engage as you lower down. I also highly recommend this short cool down and stretch if you have an extra 5 minutes. Link to it right there. Amazing. Let's roll over on our side. Use your arms to push yourself back up. You did an amazing job today. I hope that you're feeling strong. If you are looking to heal and flatten your core after pregnancy, my 30-day step-by-step system is the most effective and efficient way to do it. To see results in your core, you can't stay with toe taps and heel slides forever. You have to learn to safely overload your abdominal muscles to see results. With my system, you get a new 10-minute core healing video every day that progressively gets a little bit harder each day to heal, strengthen, and flatten your core. I will link to all the details in the description box below, and I hope you have an amazing rest of your day.